Good afternoon to all of you and Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. We are on the sixth day within the octave of Christmas. And we hear the story of a certain prophetess Anna. While reflecting on our readings, particularly the Gospel, sabi nila ang Pasko ay para lang sa mga bata. Pero ang katotohanan niyan, hindi lang sa mga bata, pati sa mga matatanda at senior citizens. You know, if you listen around us, nowadays, one hears a lot of jokes about growing old. At kalimitan, sabi nila, there are stories that make a lot of old or make fun of old people, probably authored by the old people themselves, to caution the reality of their advancing years. In today's gospel, shows us the beauty of old age. In her advanced years, Anna the prophet did not give up hope to see the child. She preserved in her trust in God, and she kept looking to the future that someday her prayer will be answered. A text message reads, "It's hard to walk backwards because our feet are meant to make us move forward." In other words, my dear brothers and sisters, life is always better if we see what is ahead than to look at what's left behind. Oftentimes, the experience of the past breeds in us bitterness, grudges, and even hatred. The scars received not only affect us physically, but also influence our psychological, emotional, and even spiritual development. It's good to hear the story of Anna, the prophet, because Anna's trust in God shows us that there is beauty in old age. To trust God, no matter what, can make growing old a graceful journey. Let us not forget our old ones, especially in this time of Christmas season, because we cannot but thank them for all the experiences and wisdom they shared to us. Hindi sila mga dekorasyon, mga lights ng Pasko na pagkatapos itatabi na rin natin. Because we can still learn from them, we still earn our respect for them simply because they are part of our lives, who we are, and who will become in the future. So as we continue to celebrate Christmas, let us not forget them, but thank them and be grateful to them because they become part of our life. And we can get inspiration and, of course, wisdom from them.